Hello everyone. In this tutorial you learn how to create the population density map using ArcGIS, and you can create this population density map using QGIS also. First of all, you can search the steps in Google how to create population density map using either the ArcMap or QGIS. You need to see the which type of population density map you want to create in Google. Follow the every steps and in look at the images, different types of images you can see prepared by others, like this is the old global population density map, and population density map of your own state or country. Just like I'm just creating population density map for Nepal in this video. We are creating map just like in this image. Search for the data of population density of Nepal in 2078 latest census, which was occurred in 2078 BS or 2021 AD. I'm gonna download the data from the website. I'm provide this link in description. You can download from there too by following the tutorial. I'm clicking the data profiles, and here provided by National Housing and Population Census 2021. I'm gonna download the household data population data from here. You can see in the individual table here in table 1. I'm gonna click xlx file, and clicking the that excel file, it will open up Microsoft Excel online. And from here I'm gonna select all of this by pressing Ctrl plus A, and selecting all these and pressing Ctrl plus C. I'm opening the new Excel file. If you are opening Excel, then press Ctrl plus N, then it will open up the new Excel cell book where I paste the data by pressing Ctrl plus B. This is the shortcut key for copying and pasting. From here I only need the total population and population density by district wise. Here I'm gonna select the only district and total population and population density. Select all this and copy, and then paste in new Excel. Then write the name in top row and district first, second total population or population only, and the other one, that's population density. I'm just gonna sort these district name from A to Z order, inserting the object ID, that is real number. After creating this real number, then I'll save this to the folder by browsing and creating new folder. And here you can save your file in anywhere you want, and I'm gonna keep providing new folder and giving this name population density map, and the folder has been created. And I'm gonna save this Excel file as population density in text tab delimited type. Save as type text tab delimited. You need to keep that and press OK. Yes. Then I'm gonna open GIS, and here I'm adding Nepal shape file, district shape file. Just need to add the district shape file. I'll attach, I'll provide this in description of district shape file, and adding district population data, which is in text tab delimited format.txt. And here join and delete. In number one, choose the field in this layer with the object ID, and then number two, population tab, that is text population dot text you have added previously. Just like that, and here open the attribute table by pressing Ctrl T. Also, you can. My population text data has been joined with the save file of district, and here I'm gonna create the symbol for population density of different ranges. And it is in just single color format. To colorize it, you need to go to properties of district shape file, right click, and properties will open up, and symbology, and then layer properties, you will see the symbology. Click that. You need to check the source coordinate system, geographical coordinate system of that map, and symbology categories. You can select the quantities in the graduated colors, population density, value with population density, 4 or 5 classes. How much class you want to provide according to ranges. Now the density by different ranges have been created, and here I'm gonna create the layout map in layout view, and changing this orientation from portrait to landscape. And here I'm gonna add all the cartographic elements to create the map and beautify it. You can also follow the steps which I do in this video. And here I'm gonna arranging the box, and just give it full extent, and insert the text or title. First of all, title, insert the title, give him the population density map of Nepal. Save your final image resolution with 500 dpi in your folder. Then you get the final map.
Final map layout. You get
If you have any queries regarding this mapping or any GIS and remote sensing, you can contact me through the WhatsApp chat I have provided in the description.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.